Gurunav Namaste. Good morning all of you. My dear third class students, today discuss about word problems and subtraction. See here, page number 29 from your workbook. From your workbook, page number 29. Everybody open please. See here, Soumya bought a dress for 2590 rupees. Soumya went to a shop and she bought one dress for 2590 rupees. After availing discount of 1098 rupees, she asked to discount. Okay, then we can give 1098 rupees. Then what is the actual cost of the dress? What is the actual cost of the dress? See here, write down solution. The total cost of the dress, that is cost to 2590 rupees. Discount of the dress, that is cost 1098 rupees. So you can find out the actual cost of the dress. Then the actual cost of the dress, that is equals to 2590 minus 1098 rupees. Then you can write here 2590 minus 1098. First subtract the digits in ones place. 0 minus 8 not possible. Take borrowing from 9, it can give 10. 10 is added to 0, you can get 10. Now 9 it can last one, 9 becomes 8. 10 minus 8 you can get 2. Now next subtract the digits in 10's place. 8 minus 9 not possible. Take borrowing. 10 plus 8 is 18. So 5 it can last, 5 becomes 4 beta. 18 minus 9 you can get 9. 4 minus 0 4. 1 minus 2 minus 1 you can get 1. So therefore the actual cost of the dress, that is equals to 1492 rupees. Now next one, write down everybody. Now next one, Leena saved 1650 rupees in January. Leena saved 1650 rupees in January, out of which she spent 1080 rupees in February. Did you understand the problem? So Leena saved the amount of rupees in January, that is cost 1650 rupees. From 1650 rupees, she spent 1080 rupees in the month of February. Then again she saved 1140 rupees in March. Again saved 1140 rupees in the month of March. How much money does Leena have now? How much money? So present, how much money does Leena have? See here, did you understand the problem? Once again, Leena saved 1650 rupees in January. Leena saved 1650 rupees in the month of January. From 1650 rupees, she spent 1080 rupees. Spent means that is the expenditure. See here, she spent 1080 rupees in month of February. she again saved 1140 rupees in the month of March. Then, how much money does Leena have now? So, how much money does Leena have now? See, listen carefully. Solution. Leena saved amount of money in January. That is cost 1650 rupees. Leena spent amount of money in February. The month of February, that is cost 1080 rupees. See here, Leena saved amount of money in February. That is equals to 1850 subtracted from 1650, you can get answer. 1650 minus 1080 rupees. See here, 1650 minus 1080. See, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus is not possible, take borrowing. So 6 it can last one. 6 becomes 5. 15 minus 8, you can get 7. So 5 minus 0, you can get 5. 1 minus 1, 0. So Leena saved amount of money in February. That is cost 570 rupees. Next what? She again saved amount of money in the March. She again saved amount of money in the month of March. Amount of money in March. That is cost to 1140 rupees. 1140 rupees. Now you can find out total amount of money Leena has. See here, total amount of money Leena has, that is cost, see here, 1140 rupees plus 570 rupees. You can get answer. 1140, 570. See here 0, 4 plus 7, 11, 1 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 1 to 2 plus 5, 7, 1. So write down everybody. Therefore, total amount of money Veena has, that is equals to 1710 rupees. Next question. 1480 burgers were sold by a bakery chain on Monday. 1480 burgers were sold by a bakery chain on Monday. 2015 burgers were sold on Tuesday. How many more burgers were sold on Tuesday than Monday? See, number of burgers sold on Monday. See here, number of burgers solution. Monday 1480. Number of burgers sold on Tuesday, that is equals to 2015 data. See here, you can find out how many more number of burgers were sold on Tuesday than Monday. See here, number of more burgers sold on Tuesday than Monday. That is equals to 1480 is subtracted from 2015. So you can write 2015 minus 1480. See here, 2015 1480. 5 minus 0, 5. 1 minus 8 not possible, take borrowing from 0. So again 0 is take borrowing from 2, we can give 10 to 0. Here 9, here 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 9, yeah, 1. See here, 11 minus 8 you can get 3. 9 minus 4 you can get 5. 1 minus 1, 0. So you can write so 535 more burgers sold on Tuesday than Monday. Write down. Now next multiplication. Do these single digit multiplication. See here, do these single digit multiplications. So first one is 5 into 8. So it can be written as 5 into 8. So 5 is multiplied with 8. So you can read 8 table. 8 5s are 40. Then you can write total because there is no place. Tens place. Now next 7 into 4. So 7 is multiplied with 4. You can read 4 table. 4 7s are 28. Product is equals to 28. Now next 3 into 9. So 9 3s are 27. 6 into 2. So you can read 2 table 2 6 are 12. Like that only you can do. Now next bit. Solve the following multiplication. First one 27 into 3. 27 is multiplied with 3. So you can write column wise according to their places. 27 into 3. First we multiply the digits in ones place, that is 7 with 3. 3 7s are 21 beta. 3 7s are 21. From your activity book, page number 30. Workbook, sorry beta, workbook. See here. Workbook page number. How many times I can see here? Third. See here, 7 is multiplied with 3. You can read 3 table. 3 7s are 21. So 21 is a 2-digit number. In it, 1 is taking and write down the product of one's place. So remaining number 2, that is carrying. Now next we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 2 with 3. You can read 3 table. 3 2 is 6. Then here 2 is added to 6, so you can get 6 plus 2, 8. So 8 write down where the product of the tens place. So product is equals to 81. Now next 48 into 5. So the given number write in column wise according to their places. First you can write 48 into 5. First first way multiply one's place digit, that is 8 with 5. So you can read 5 table. 5 8s are 40. In it 0 is taking and write down the product of the ones place and 4 is carrying. So carry over to 4 in tens place. That is now next way multiply 4 with 5. So you can read 5 table. 5 4s are 20. So 4 is added to 20, you can get 24. So here listen carefully. This is the last place of the given number. Then you can write 24 directly. So here there is no carry. Now next one is into 7 beta. 39 into 7. First we will multiply the digits in ones place, that is 9 with 7. You can read 7 table. 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. In it 3 is and taking write down one's column of the product and carrying 6 beta. See here. Now next we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 3 with 7. 7 3s are 21. 6 is added to 21, you can get 27. Write down 27, the product of the tens place. So product is equals to 273. Now next one is 57 into 6. Write the given number in column wise according to their places. First multiply the digits in one's place. That is 7 with 6. You can read 6 table. 6 7s are 42. In it 2 is and taking write down one's column of the product and carrying 4. Now next we multiply the digits in tens place. That is 5 with 6. You can read 6 table. 6 5s are 30. So 4 is added to 30. You can get 34. So you can write a total number. Because this is the last place of the given number. So product is equals to 342. Now next one is 19 into 8. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. 19 into 8. So we multiply the digits in one space, that is 9 with 8. You can read 8 table. 8 9s are 72. In it 2 is taking a write down in one space of the product and the given number 7. So this is remaining number, carry over. Now next we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 1 with 8. 8 1s are 8. 7 is added to 8. You can get 8 plus 7 15. 15 write down. Because this is the last place of the given number. So product is equals to 152. Now next one. (23 into 4). So first the given number write in column wise according to their places and 4 you can write below of the 3. So then you can multiply one space digit with 4. 4 3s are 12. In it 2 is taking and write down. Now 1 is carrying. Now next we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 2 with 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1. 1 is added to 8, you can get 9. So product is equals to 92. Now next try to do this multiplication third bit. So first one, 187 into 5. See here, 187 is the 3-digit number into 5. So 3-digit number is multiplied by 1-digit number. So you can write according to their places in column wise. 187 into 5. First we multiply the digits in ones place, that is 7 with 5. You can read 5 table. 5 7 ja 35. 5 7 ja 35. In it 5 is taking and write down in ones column of the product. So now carry over 3. Next we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 8 with 5. 5 8 are 40. 3 is added to 40. You can get 43. In it 3 is taking right down in tens column of the product and 4 is carrying. Now next we multiply the digits in hundreds place, that is 1 with 5. 5 1s are 5. 4 is added to 5. 5 plus 4 you can get 9 right down hundreds column of the product. So product is equals to 935. Now next one, 394 into 6. See here, 394 into 6. First multiply the digits in ones place, that is 4 with 6. 6 4s are 24. In it 4 is taking it right down in ones column of the product and carry over 2. Now next we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 9 with 6. 6 9s are 54. 2 is added to 54, you can get 56. In it 6 taking a right down in tens column of the product and 5 carrying. Now next we multiply the digits, that is 3 in hundreds place. So 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5 you can get 23. You can write 23 direct because this is the last place of the given number. Then product is equals to 2364. Next 258 into 8. 258 into 8. So the given number 258, write in column wise according to their places. Now first the given number in it. So 8 is in ones place. First multiply the digits in ones place. 8 with 8. 8 8 is 64. In it 4 is taking a right down in ones column of the product and 6 is carrying. Now next multiply the digits in tens place, that is 5 with 8. 8 5s are 40. So 6 is added to 40. 40 plus 6 you can get 46. In it 6 taking and carrying 4. Now next multiply the digits in hundreds place, that is 2 with 8. 8 to 2s are 16. 4 is added to 16. 16 plus 4 you can get 20. You can write a total. So product is equals to 2064. Now next one, 435 into 4. 435 into 4. First we multiply the digits in ones place, that is 5 with 4. 4 5s are 20. In it 0 is taking, carrying 2. Next we multiply the digits in tens place, that is 3 with 4. 4 3s are 12. 2 is added to 12. 12 plus 2 you can get 14. Now 4 is taking a right down in tens column of the products and carry over 1. Now here next we multiply the digits in hundreds place, that is 4 with 4. 4 4 are 16. 1 is added to 16, you can get 17. So product is equals to 17. You can write where hundreds column of the product. Then product is equals to 1740. (956) into 3. 956 into 3. First we multiply the digits in ones place. 6 with 3. 3 6 are 18. In it 8 taking, carrying 1. Next 3 5s are 15. 1 is added to 15. You can get 16. In it 6 taking, right down tens column of the product and 1 is carrying. Now next we multiply the digits in hundreds place, that is 9 with 3. 3 9s are 27. 1 is added to 27, you can get a 28, write down total number. Because this is the last place of the given number, then product is equals to 2868. Now next one, 512 into 7. See here, 512 into 7. Write in column wise according to their places. Then you can write this like only 512 into 7. First we multiply the digits in ones place. That is 2 with 7. 7 to the 14. In it 4 is taking a write down in ones column of the product, and remaining number 1 is carrying. Now next we multiply the digits in tens place. That is 1 with 7. 7 1 are 7. 1 is added to 7. You can get 8. 8 is a 1 digit number. There is no carrying. You can write directly. Where? In tens column of the product. Now we multiply the digits in hundreds place. That is 5 with 7. 7 5 is 35. So you can write 35 directly in hundreds column of the product. So then product is equals to 3584. So today your class is completed. Thank you everybody.